Today we're here in Maryborough, Queensland, showing the NIOA staff around the R&M facility here and what's been happening over the last few months.
It's really impressive. There's a whole lot of things that are impressive about it. Only 18 months ago it was an idea, it was a greenfield site. And to come here today, less than 18 months after that, and see what's an extraordinary facility, full of machines, full of motivated, excited, professional people, it's amazing what's been achieved in a comparatively short period of time.
So what's been built here is the world's most advanced artillery shell forging facility. Australia had lost the ability to be able to forge an artillery shell, and in the changing strategic environment, that's just simply not acceptable. If COVID has taught us anything, it's that supply chains can't be relied upon in time of crisis or time of disruption.
As far as projectile forging goes, worldwide this is state-of-the-art. Processes, forging techniques, machining, balancing, heat treatment, all happening right here under this roof here in Maryborough.
There's really no better example as we look across the Australian defence industry landscape than turning a program that was fully imported to 100% domestic manufactured.
I guess the message to the Commonwealth is you're asking us to manufacture in Australia. You're asking us to get after sovereign industrial capability priorities, and our message back to the Commonwealth is that NIOA and Rheinmetall NIOA Munitions is doing that right here in Maryborough.
It is an important capability, and it is the first step to sovereignty and to produce artillery shells here in Australia.
Not only can it do assegai, but a set up for DM series for overseas, do any sort of large calibre direct fires type ammunition.
It's really important for us to get the right people, and we've certainly done that, and there's some great people here with some great skills.
This is probably Australia's greatest example of private industry leaning forward with government to deliver critical capability for the use of the ADF. This is going to set us up for generations to come for self-sufficiency, supply chain surety at times of crisis.